So welcome back guys again to tip number 3, how to build a stadium video board at home with Legos. It's very simple. Could have to use Legos and make like a square type depending on how big is your phone, right? You could just sorry about that. Got a little allergies. But anyway, yeah, you could actually use like a box like behind it so in case if it doesn't fall out. Also you could use supporters, little blocks, that way in case the phone doesn't flip over or anything. I could do that stuff the future like that. You could do that. You could do it perfectly or however you like it, right? As long as the phone gets in there so you can, see the whole view of the monster trucks or whatever sport you want to choose for your videos, That's what I recommend you doing. If you prefer Legos or the other previous tips I showed you, with tape and the supporters. So, yeah, it is what it is. So that's tip number 3 with the Legos. So see you guys around.